Good morning, Junior 6. Hope you are okay. Okay, our lesson today is volume of a cube. Okay, let's remember what is a cube. A cube is a shape formed from how many faces we have? We have 6 faces and they are all square in the shape of a square. Okay, and the cube has 12 edges. What is the meaning of the edges? It means the lines or the sides that form the cube. Okay, so it has 6 faces and it has 12 edges. And how many vertices? What are the vertices? The vertices is if we have a side and the side, the point here, the join between the side and another side. So we have 4 vertices up and we have 4 vertices down. So the properties of the cube, first of all, it has 6 faces and all of them are squared faces. Okay, it has 12 edges and it has 8 vertices, 4 up and 4 down. Okay, it's like a cuboid. The cuboid, it was the faces of it was a rectangle, but here the cube, it has a square faces. Okay, so this means in the cuboid I was having a volume which is equal length times width times height. But here in the cube, the length and the width and the height, all of them are equal because I have a square. So this means here in the cube, how can I go and get the volume? Let's start by the first rule. The first rule said volume of a cube equal edge times edge times edge. Okay, what is the meaning of edge times edge times edge? It means if I draw the cube like this, okay, edge, it means the side. So in the cuboid we took length times width times height. Here in the cube all of the sides are equal, so I will go and say length times width times height, all of them are equal. So I will go and say what? Edge times edge times edge, or edge times itself times itself. So this is the first rule. In order to get the volume of a cube, it will be edge times edge times edge. Okay, let's start next one. If I asked you, here we said all the faces of a cube is like a square. So if I asked you the square, how can we go and get the area of the square? Area of a square equal what? Area of a square equal side times side, or edge times edge, right? طب here if I asked you how can we go and get the face area of a cube? ما هو face area, it means one face, the area of one face of a cube. The area of one face of a cube, it means what? Here if I go and take one face كده منه, يبقى this means I will go and make edge times edge. So the second rule, it said face area, which means the face or the area of one face. The area of one face of a cube like the square, it will be side times side or edge times edge. Okay, do you remember in the square, if I give you the area, if I told you the area of square equal 25, how can you go and get the side? From junior 4 we took it. How can we go and get the side? If you give me the area of the square and I want to get the side, how can I go and get it? كنت بعمل ايه? I will go and make a square root of 25. ليه؟ عشان اقدر اجيب السايد بتاعي. الاريا عبارة عن side times side. Okay, 25 دي means side times side. وأنا عايزة أفك ال 2 sides دول. I want to know what times itself give me the 25. So I go and make a square root for the 25, which means 5 centimeter. So if I want to go, if he give me the face area, this means it's the area of one face. And I want to go and get the volume. In order to get the volume, our main purpose for the cube is to get the edge. How can I go and get the edge if I have the face area? First of all, area, it means area of one face. So I will go and make a square root for the area. It will be square root for the area, I go and get the edge. So in order to get the volume, I will go and make edge times edge times edge. يبقى first rule we took volume of a cube, it means edge times itself times itself. If he give me face area and he wants to ask about the volume, I have to go and get the edge. So if I have the face area, I will go and make square root for the face area to get the edge. Face area, it means the area of a square. As we took before, it means side times side. Okay? This is the second rule. Let's go to the third rule. Okay, let's take our big one كده. Here we have a cube. You see, we said it has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. What's our third rule? Third rule here say the sum of areas of all faces of a cube. What is the meaning of a sum of areas? We said before, how many faces I have? I have 6 faces. So when he said the sum of areas of all faces, and this means he give me the area of the 6 faces. طيب, how can I go and get the volume from this? I want to go and get the volume. In order to get the volume, I should have the edge. Our main purpose is the edge. From the sum of areas, how can I go? We said how many faces? He give me the sum of areas of all the 6 faces. So this means I will go and divide by 6 faces. ليه؟ يبقى أنا كده جبت منه الإدج؟ لا، still لسه أنا بجيب أنا عندي sum of areas وهعملها divided 6 in order to get the area of one face. So here I got the face area of one. يبقى here of one face area of one face only. يبقى أنا كان عندي 6 areas وقسمت divided by 6 sum of 6 areas وعملت divided by 6 in order to get the face area. طب عشان اجيب من الفيس area دي اجيب الادج ازاي؟ we took before. هعمل ايه؟ square root للفيس area ابقى جبت الايه؟ الادج. Do you understand? So here I have, whenever we have sum of areas of all faces of a cube, this means I have. انا بتكلم عن الاريا بتاعت ال6 faces كلهم. طب انا مش محتاجها عشان اجيب الفوليوم، لازم يكون عندي الادج. فبعمل ايه؟ بعمل السم اوف areas divided 6 in order to get the face area. square root للفيس area ابقى وصلت للادج. طيب another rule. If we have, يبقى here if I give you the cube like this, okay? And I give you the sum of areas. What's the meaning of sum of areas? This means I will go. يعني انا عندي الاريا بتاعت الفيس الريد ده والفيس اللي في وشه اللي هو الوايت ده والفيس اللي في الجنب والفيس اللي في الجنب هنا والفيس اللي اب والفيس اللي داون. طب انت اديتني السم اوف ارياز، انا هستفيد بيها ايه؟ هقول له ان السم اوف ارياز دي معناها انها اريا 1 بلس اريا 2 بلس اريا 3 بلس اريا 4 بلس اريا 5 بلس اريا 6 of the 6 faces. هقسمهم، هعمل divided by 6 عشان اجيب الفيس اريا الواحده. square root للفيس area in order to get the edge. Okay. Fourth rule. Sum of lengths of all edges. What is the meaning of sum of lengths of all edges? This means he give me this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. This is our edges. This one plus 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 this one. He gave me the sum of all of them. He didn't tell me the edge equal what. He gave me the sum of all edges. طيب, how many edges? As we said before, from the properties of it, we have 12 edges. So this means I will go and divide the sum of all lengths of all edges divided by what? Divided by 12. Why 12? Because we have 12 edges. And I know the sum of all lengths of all edges. And I want to go and get only one edge. Yep, this means if I have sum of areas, I will go and make divided by 6. Because you give me the sum of areas and it means the area of 6 faces. If you give me the sum of all edge lengths, this means I will go and make divided by 12 because I have how many edges? 12 edges. So I got the edge and then I will go and get the volume. Edge times edge times edge. Okay, fourth rule. What did he give me here? Fifth rule. Parameter of any face divided 4 equal edge. What is the meaning of parameter of any face? Okay, parameter. What is the meaning of a parameter? Parameter معناها زي ما احنا متفقين sum of side lenses. ادي السكوير، ادي الكيوب بتاعي اهو بيتكون من 6 faces. اوكي؟ طيب انا لو خدت الفيس دي، شايفينها اللي انا عامله لها شيدنج دي، لو انا خدت الفيس دي واديتك البارامتر بتاعتها. So here I give you the parameter. Let's say parameter here equal let's say 36. What is the meaning of parameter? It means this side plus this side plus this side plus this side. So how can I go and make it? How can I go and get the parameter? أنا عندي البارامتر بتاع ده، يعني معناها ده بلس ده بلس ده بلس ده. طب أنا محتاجة إيه عشان أجيب الفوليوم؟ محتاجة إن يكون عندي الإدج. So I will go and make 36 divided 4 in order to get the side, which means 9 centimeter. يبقى I reach from the parameter. عملت إيه؟ قسمت البارامتر divided by 4. ليه؟ Because I am talking about the parameter of one face. الفيس الواحد فيه كام side؟ فيه كام edge؟ فيه 4. So 36 divided by 4, the answer it will be 9 centimeter. When I reach the edge, so this means I will go and get the volume edge, which is equal edge times edge times edge. Last rule, if he give you the volume he give you the volume. If he said the volume is equal, let's say 125, find the edge. How can you go and get the edge? I give you the volume of the cube. Volume of the cube عبارة عن ايه؟ عبارة عن edge times edge times edge. وانا عايزة افك دول، عايزة اعرف الواحد equal what. فبعمل ايه؟ انا عندي الفوليوم عبارة عن edge times edge times edge. So this means 3. So this means I will go and make a cubic root for the volume, which means 125. Okay, how can I go and make cubic root on the calculator? I will go and هدوس على الزرار بتاع shift عشان اعملها، وادوس زرار، يبقى زرار shift، وادوس الزرار بتاع square root. ده اللي هيوصلني للكيوبيك روت. يبقى لو انا عايزه اعمل square root بس، يبقى هعمل ايه؟ هدوس زرار square root بس. لو انا عايزه اعمل كيوبيك روت هدوس زرار shift square root عشان اقدر اعمل كيوبيك روت. So I will go and write the number 125 and reach the answer. So whenever we have the volume of the cube انا عايزه افكه واجيب منه الادج. I want the edge. What I will go and make? I will go and make a cubic root. Why? Why do you make a cubic root? Because the volume consists of edge times edge times edge. This means I have 3 edges multiplied by each other وانا عايزه افكهم من بعض.